If your RV has a Carefree of Colorado powered awning, you may also have something called a Uniguard. That's a metal wrap that protects the awning from billowing while you're driving down the highway. Now, if you have a Uniguard, you also have something called a soft connect, and that's a piece of fabric that connects the Uniguard to the side of the RV. But because that soft connect is always exposed to the sun, it's almost always the first piece of fabric to fail on your RV. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to replace that with a Tough Top awning soft connect that'll last a lot longer. Here's how to do it. Joining us today is Tyler from Tough Top Awnings. To get the job done, he'll be using silicone spray, zip ties, wire cutters, and a cordless drill, as well as a file and a tall ladder. And of course, Tyler brought along a replacement soft connect, custom cut and sewn for this RV. Don't forget that Tough Top Awnings offers a 5% discount to RVgeeks viewers on all awning and slide topper replacement fabric with discount code RVgeeks. Start by removing the set screws that keep the soft connect from sliding in the track on the roof. There should be one at each end. Then remove the screws that lock the soft connect into the Uniguard. Again, there should be one at each end. Open the awning slightly. Install a large zip tie around the arm and cinch it down firmly. Then zip tie the other arm the same way. The soft connect should now have a little play in it. That will let you slide it out one side. But here's the secret that will allow you to replace the soft connect without removing the entire awning. Only pull it out about halfway and leave it there. That will hold the Uniguard and the entire awning in place while you start installing the new soft connect. File the edges of the tracks on both the RV and the Uniguard to prevent snagging the fabric. You can also use a little masking tape on the corners for additional protection. Spray some silicone into the track on the Uniguard as well as into the track on the RV. This will ease installation of the new soft connect. With the thicker bead cord on the RV side and the thinner cord on the Uniguard side, start sliding the new soft connect into the two tracks. A helper feeding the material in from the end makes it much easier. Keep sliding the fabric into the tracks until the new soft connect is close to the old one. Now, with the new material in place to hold the Uniguard, you can simply slide the old soft connect right out the other end. Spray more silicone liberally into both tracks as needed to help keep the material moving along more easily. Have your helper continue to feed the fabric in as you continue to pull. With the new soft connect centered in the Uniguard's track, snip off any bead cord that sticks out the end. Now you can cut off the zip tie at one end. Reinstall the set screw into the end of the Uniguard, as well as the set screw on the RV. Repeat the same steps at the opposite end. Cut the zip tie, snip off any extra bead cord, reinstall the set screw into the Uniguard, as well as the one on the RV. Now you can extend the awning and you're good to go. Your brand new soft connect is in place and you didn't even have to remove the awning to install it. Whether you're replacing a soft connect, a main patio or window awning, or your RV slide toppers, Tough Top Awnings material will outlast any fabric we've ever seen. Don't forget to save when you order yours factory direct manufactured in the USA. Thanks, Tyler.